Welcome to Hermes Explained, where we take an in-depth look at the Hermes Mobile Cobot series. Today, we are talking about the Hermes Lite Palletizer. The Hermes Lite is a low-cost pick-and-place palletizing solution that gives manufacturers a simple option for cobot palletizing. But what makes Hermes Lite different from a standard Hermes palletizer? Sometimes for palletizing, you don't need customization options or complex software. That's why we created Hermes Lite. It provides a simple pick-and-place palletizer without all the complexity and customizations. You get exactly what you need. A cobot with a single zone end-of-arm tool, simple controls and software, and an MDR conveyor. Simple, but reliable and efficient. This system doesn't lack any qualities of our Hermes Mobile Cobot series, though. It still features mobility, safety, and durability just like the other applications in the series. If you want to automate your palletizing with a no-frills, simple solution, the Hermes Lite is your palletizer. Start your automation journey by visiting our website. Reimagine your manufacturing floor with a Hermes Mobile Cobot solution.